All right. So I may have started this project a little bit too early, without the camera at least. But for now, I'm going to show you this. This is basically the back piece that goes, the plate that goes over top of the dashboard. To remove this, I'm going to go into a very quick explanation, and then I'm going to actually refinish this. It comes factory with a vinyl wrap, and I had a phone mount on it that pulled the vinyl wrap off. So it's time to refinish this thing. The first thing you're going to want to do is take out these vents. Now there's a couple tutorials online that explains how to do this, but what you're going to look for is these clips here. I actually just realized I broke one. These clips, and what you can do is use a combination of some flathead screwdrivers and cards, and you'll want to jam them up in and around these edges and just kind of leave a whole bunch of them in place. I have only about 20 that I used in total for the main vent piece that goes here, the side vent here, also the little button board that goes here, and as well as the radio. Once you're in here, you can use a star bit screwdriver, like so, to remove the bolts that holds in the radio, buttons, vents, etc. And then this main piece, the one up there, will actually just pop right off. The next part of this process, working on removing this vinyl. You can see right here where that plastic vinyl is peeling off. It started when I had a phone mount in this spot, and then the sun heated it up, and it actually pulled it off, so then the vinyl began to peel. I tried wrapping it originally with a carbon fiber black, and that didn't go so well. So now I'm working on removing all of that factory vinyl, sanding it down, and getting it ready for a paint job. So this sanding job was done with first a little bit of a more abrasive one. I believe this is an 80 grit. You want to be very careful with this. This is going to dig very deep and very fast. The next thing I went with was something a lot lighter, and this will smooth out those dig gashes that you get from the 80 grit. It's just going to take some time. Now this is a 220, and this is what I went over to smooth everything out in the last little bit you saw there. And now I'm going to wipe it down with a little wet rag, see where I'm at, and then finish sanding from there and touch up the small spots. After sanding and masking off the important parts that are kind of showing in the car, everything else doesn't really matter because it's tucked away. I'm throwing on, this is just some sandable automotive primer. Make sure it's good for fiberglass, so that way it'll hopefully stick to the sanded down plastic. If not, it's sandable. We'll go get another primer and give it a shot. And then I am going to use this red right here. It's a gloss apple red. It does go for plastic. It's fast drying. And then I'm going to throw on this gloss clear coat. So I'm not gonna lie, it's been a long time. I kind of forgot to film the ending of this video and post it, but this is what the final project looks like, sitting in the sun. Thought I'd just finish that up for you.